Right, guys, this is Karim again, and I've got a beautiful guest over here, all the way from Rwanda. Welcome, Joselyn.
Yes.
How are you?
Thank you so much. I'm good. I'm good. I'm blessed. I'm good.
Okay, so
Yeah.
Joselyn, I wanted to ask you.
Yes.
You're Rwandan and you're in Uganda now. How do you feel? Welcome to my country, first of all. Okay.
Thank you so much. I feel like this country is free. You are free to do anything you want. In Rwanda, we are like organized. You
Yeah.
do the things on like
Oh.
this. If you
A
have to
straight
pass
line, huh?
here, you have to pass here. If you pass here, this like this.
Okay, I get your point.
Yeah.
So, and what about the and all those things?
I feel like the food is the same, but how they cook it is different. Because here they eat matoke. Matoke is green beans, no, green banana.
Okay.
And we also eat it. So I feel like it's the same. The difference is how they cook it.
The different people think Rwanda is expensive, Uganda is cheap. So what do you think? Like, is Rwanda expensive from Uganda or
Last
the
night
same?
I bought street food.
Okay.
And was 4,000 shillings.
Okay.
And the food was chips, rice, and cabbage.
Okay.
Which is the same like in Rwanda. In the restaurant, you can get food of 1,000 in the restaurant and whatever. But here is the same. I feel like is the price
no difference.
is the same. There is no difference.
So people who fear that we go to Rwanda, it's expensive, guys. It's not expensive. So if you can survive in Uganda, you can survive in Rwanda.
Exactly.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes, exactly. And accommodation also, right? Almost the same.
Yeah, accommodation is almost the same. But here I feel like it's a bit expensive. Yeah, because when I was checking on Airbnb, I was like, no, from $20, $15,
So,
25, just up to there. But in
Okay.
Rwanda, you can also get for $10, 12, 15.
Oh, right, okay,
Yeah, you
so-
can get it. I feel like in terms of accommodation is quite
we're at Gaddafi Mosque. You
Yeah.
can see the background view.
Yeah, the background.
And-
So nice.
Yes, exactly. Thank you so much again, Joselyn, for meeting this Pakistani Ugandan guy.
And one thing about Uganda is that you don't have fixed price.
Oh, okay.
So the taxi or the bus and whatever, they can take you like for 10,000, 7,000. But for us, we have fixed price.
Oh,
Even
okay.
for the public buses, even for the motorbikes, because we
Okay.
use the meters.
Meter.
Yes.
Oh,
You put your number there, then you start the journey. Whenever it stops, you get the
and then you
man.
pay according to
Yeah.
the meter.
Yes.
Right, guys. Update on that transport system as well from Joselyn.
Sometimes they can cheat you.
Yeah,
You don't
yeah,
know you are
overcharge you.
visitors.
Yes, it's really, really cloudy, and I don't know if you guys can still see us. But if you still see us, we are saying
Bye.
bye from this side. All right.